How to fix green box on Android phone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. So in today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can fix this little green or this blue box, whatever type of box you have around your Android home screen. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So in your case it could be green, in my case it is actually kind of blue. So first of all you have to understand what is this in the first place. This is basically an accessibility feature on Android that is called talkback, right? So if you want to disable talkback and just remove this green frame, we have to open up settings. So anyhow you have to make sure to open up settings. Now you'll notice that just by single tapping on it will not open settings. First of all you have to single tap on it to select it, and you'll see the blue circle around the settings icon, and then just double tap on it to open settings, right? So once you open settings you have to look for accessibility, just tap once and then double tap. Then here you can see talkback, just tap once and then double tap again, and then once you do that, over here you can see on, so just tap on it, double tap to just turn it off, tap on turn off, double tap to turn it off over here, and then talkback should be automatically turned off just like this. So when you turn this off, it is basically going to go ahead and then remove the talkback, and now you can see we don't have no more the green check, and now we can use everything smoothly. So that is basically because talkback feature is enabled. It's kind of annoying, but you just have to get through it and then solve it anyhow. So hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.